How y'all doing out there? This is Clayton Showalter here. Just picked up this Craftsman riding lawnmower here. Gotta do some repair work on it for a customer. Complaint was just been sitting too long and tires. I don't know if that's gonna air up or not. It's a Craftsman LT3000. It's got a Briggs & Stratton Intech Plus 20 horsepower overhead valve. See, it's missing the grass deflector here. It is sitting up here. Don't know if it's repairable. It looks like it's busted out. So we're just doing an overall view of the tractor here. Looks like somebody has plugged that. So that might be the only tire that might hold air. It's not that old of a tractor, 2006. I don't know how long it's been sitting. It looks like it's been sitting for a while. The fuel tank here. Yeah, there's some stuff down in there. So, first thing we're gonna do is disconnect the coil wire and battery, and we're gonna pull the spark plug wire and pull the spark plug, and we're gonna do a compression test on the motor and see if it checks out to where it needs to be. And we'll take her from there. See around here where the carburetor is here, it's kind of dirty. That's obviously had a leak. So we'll get into that here soon. And it's got the solenoid on it where it shuts the fuel off automatically as soon as you turn the switch off to prevent the backfiring deal. A lot of guys will, or a lot of people will just do away with that because sometimes it malfunctions. So another tire here that's probably ain't gonna hold in the air. You can see that there. It might. So it's pretty dirty. Just a good bath. Clean it up a lot. It's cleaning up underneath the deck here. This tire is flat. Cup holder deal. These little ends here are busted off, so that's not gonna really stay on there too good. Seats seen better days. Looks like Bird's been having fun sitting on it and all around it. We'll check the battery as well. Just want to make note on this, so if there's any complaints from a customer and I say that wasn't like that, well, this is when I picked it up. Took a video of it so I can show the customer. Alright, y'all take care.